my privilege to share some of the things that I have done through my experience, so that you will not make the same mistakes. So we expect you to come as a better graduate than us. We all know this RGKT is the best place in Andhra Pradesh for studying. Really, actually, the people are not understanding because so many things have been changed from 2009 to 2017. I think you are from 2017 batch. So many, 18 batch. So many things have been changed. So this is the place where all the school toppers from different places meets. So definitely, once we join the college, now also we feel a lot of pressure because all are toppers here. We have a lot of competition. But this competition definitely help us to be better than what we were at our school level. Okay. See, I have not prepared much to talk, but what I want to tell you is, anyway, all are toppers. If you share knowledge among yourself, everyone will become a topper. You have to share knowledge, not only with your batch, other branches, other classes, seniors. You have to mingle with seniors and all. So many things you have to share because everyone is better at some different subjects. Okay. What I want to tell you is, if I have not joined in this college, I would not have become in this position. I have secured All India rank 70 in GATE exam because we have not known that this GATE exam is there. We have to write it. One of the person from Narendra sir has just now come. His batch, 2008 batch, Naveen. He got All India 8th rank that time. He inspired us. There is one GATE exam. There we can prepare. If we crack the GATE exam, so many government jobs will be in your hands. Suppose if you get below 400 rank, below 1000 rank, so almost 5-6 jobs you will get. You have to choose them. So after getting the 70 rank, I got almost 10 jobs. And finally, I chose this DRDO. So before that, what I want to tell you is, not only GATE exam, because you are all ECE. Whatever the competitive exam you are preparing, but for us, what I feel is, GATE is the better option for government jobs. So we all came from the middle class families only. Don't neglect these campus placements. You have to prepare for the campus placement, but the preparation should include the GATE. See, suppose if you are attending for campus placements, you prepare aptitude, English. That is there in the GATE also. But 1 month time is enough for aptitude. There is an R.S. Agarwal book is there. You all know R.S. Agarwal book for aptitude, for only aptitude. There, only first 9 questions from each chapter will be enough for this campus placement. Suppose once you select in any of the campus placements, the pressure from parents, pressure you feel yourself also, you will not have any pressure. Then you can prepare for any competitive exam, whether it is GATE or UPSC, whatever it is. Okay. Suppose what I suggest you is, suppose if you are preparing for any competitive exam, don't take only single subject. What we will do is, we will take a single subject. After this subject gets completed, we will take another subject. So parallelly try to study 2 or 3 subjects. Suppose for first 5 chapters of the one subject you are studying. The next day you start reading the next subject. Suppose you are studying semiconductor devices. Next you are studying digital electronics. So you take 3 subjects which are similar. Suppose this semiconductor devices, analog electronics. These all are come under one category. You take these 3 subjects at a time. So see, once we joined here, our exam papers are filled with most of the multiple choice questions. Now this curriculum has changed. Definitely that will affect you. This exam pattern has changed. Now we are writing only descriptive questions. So GATE is having completely this multiple choice questions and dash questions only. So there, now what we have to do? Once you are preparing for any exam, you have to take mock tests. That mock test will definitely help you. Suppose if you write a mock test, you will definitely make lot of mistakes. Not only mock test, any exam you write, for every exam, some silly questions also. If you know the answers also, because we will not manage the time. Once we don't manage the time, definitely some wrong. We will make some mistakes. Suppose if you write more mock tests, you will get more mistakes. That more mistakes you have to write on single paper. Suppose you are writing one subject. Suppose what I told you, I have told you to read 3 subjects at a parallel time. 3 subjects mock test you can write. So at the end you have to feel that these 3 subjects are from a single subject. So likewise, if you are preparing for GATE, we are having almost 10 subjects. At the end you have to feel this entire all 10 subjects are from single ECE subject. You have to feel like that. Then only you can write anything. You should not feel that suppose one question is coming, this is from control and guidance, next one is this control systems, next one is signal system. You don't have to feel like that. So if you are preparing all the subjects, means all the subjects should be one subject. So see, for me, I have also prepared for GATE exam from here. This is the best phase to prepare to choose our career in our third year. So if you are preparing for GATE or any UPSC, you have to take coaching for 2 months or 3 months, anything. That coaching, what it will give is, we will pay money to the coaching centers. We will have some fear to read. That one thing we will learn from coaching centers. Another thing is that if you go to coaching centers from morning 6 to evening 6 continuously, they will ask us to sit in the classrooms only. That will definitely help us to do hard work more. Because if you are continuously, we will get habituated to the timings. If you are sitting in 6 to 6, after completion of the training also, you will start reading for 6 to at least half of the time you can read. So that you will that you are getting habituated. So better to take coaching, better to take more mock tests. Mock tests are full important for us, because for you, as you are having only descriptives, more descriptive questions are there. You have to take mock tests like ACE, Made Easy, GATE Forum, some institutes are there. You can take mock tests. You have to write the mock test, note down the mistakes, and write it down. For me, I have same like this only in third year. I have joined in AS Academy. There I have studied 2 months coaching. Finally, I got 900 rank that time. With that 900 rank, I didn't get any jobs. With that 900 rank, if you want to do MTech or any higher educations, you can study in IIT. After that, you can select in Intel or some core companies. That is also one of the good ways. Suppose if you are in need of money, and if your parents cannot afford to put money, then you have to get a job now itself, after the completion of 4th year itself. So there are 2 kind of people: those who want to pursue higher educations, those who want to join in the job immediately after the 4th year. Okay, for me, like you also, I have also attended for this campus placement. Parallelly, I have prepared for GATE. I have attended for TCS, Capgemini, nothing. I didn't get any job. Finally, I got Wipro in the January month. That time, my half of the preparation for GATE was over. See, again, then with free mind, I started preparing for GATE. And even with the free mind also, I got 900 rank. With that 900 rank, I didn't get any job. Finally, I joined in Wipro. There, if we feel that if we join in some corporate companies like MNC companies like Wipro, TCS and all, we don't have any time. But see, what I told you is, anyway from this 3rd year to 4th year, you start preparing. By the time you have already prepared 80% of what you want to prepare. So even whatever the job you join, parallelly also you can prepare. There is a lot of time for us. So don't feel that I have joined in some job, I cannot prepare. You just take it out of the mind. If you are joining in some any company also, you can prepare. But what I suggest to you is, before that, you should not have a pressure. If you want to place in some company, attend for campus placements. Don't neglect it. But parallelly, you have to prepare for any of the competitive exams. Okay. So for me, that is the case. I have joined in Wipro and I have studied again. I got already 70 rank, and after that I am working in this. After that I have worked in DHEL R&D. I told you, if you have a GATE rank, you will have so many. Not only GATE rank, if you have UPSC ranks also, all jobs in our hands. I worked in DHEL R&D. Anyway, this GATE rank will be for 3 years validity for me. For you also, I think now also it is 3 years validity. After that, with the 3 years validity, I have joined in DRD. So one more thing I want to share you is, so what we made some mistakes is, we have kept a lot of efforts on this internship project, beta project. We have to do projects. So if you start doing projects, we will definitely expect results. But we keep on, we will put all efforts on the projects only. We don't prepare for the competitive exam. So, but you have to assign your time to, if you are preparing for the competitive exam, for any competitive exam, don't feel that I have to qualify the competitive exam, I have to get below 10,000. Don't feel like that. If you want to write, if you are writing competitive exam, means you have to get a below 300, 400 ranks only. Then only that will become a competitive exam. So if you are just qualifying, means that is not becoming, that is not a competitive exam. So prioritize your time. Suppose if you are doing internship project or BTech project, you spend some time on it, but more time on what you are preparing. Because we all know whatever the job we are getting after this graduation, only basics that what we have learnt will definitely help us, but our duty will be different. Okay, you have to work on some codings and all, but basics should be there. So if you want to do research after the competitive exam. Suppose, because nowadays this competitive exam only ruling the world. Because we all are like we all have to cross some of the line. For that we have to write some exam. Not only GATE, suppose AWE, AE, whatever the jobs they are getting. For all the things, there is only one exam. But if you are preparing for the GATE exam, almost you are preparing for entire things. If you are preparing for UPSC, only general studies is added. English you have to be strong. UPSC or whatever competitive exam. But once you are preparing for competitive exam, don't take light. You have to put all efforts for the competitive exam only. So don't get tight if you are going for this any software company or any government job also. If you have a time, you have to prepare. Suppose if you are continuously preparing for 1 hour, then automatically you will prepare after the job also. You should not satisfy. Then only you can achieve more things. For me, I have also joined like you only, from a Srikakulam background. For me, one friend Purushottam, he is also my batch. He is now working in ISRO scientist. Purushottam, he also came for alumni talk sometimes. For me, he only helped me a lot. Because if you are surrounded by good people, you will be also a good person. That's why I always suggest you to make good friends, do hard work. Okay, whatever, any doubts you are having, any questions you are having? So after this April, you May will be holidays for us, May, June. That time you have to utilize properly. This 2 months. This 2 months period is the peak period for us. You have to utilize it carefully. So what are the decisions you are taking? If you want to join UPSC coaching center, somewhere you have to join somewhere to learn. Because suppose if you are using same, if your exam pattern is also same like us, you don't need to go for this outside coaching centers and all, because that time only questions are the descriptive is there, but this pattern is completely different. And our SARs also will help more lot of things. If you want to join somewhere, if you want to learn from your own things like online coaching also, whatever, if you want to learn from our books also, you have to see everything as a multiple choice question. What type of bits can come from here? No need to go for coaching, sir. You cannot afford also. Some people cannot afford also. Suppose if you want to study by your own, you should not take some question as a descriptive question. You have to take you have to take from that question as a multiple choice question. The research and all we can do later. After the competitive exam and all we can do researches. So much time is there. But we have to settle. So many things have been changed. That time 2009 batch, 8 batch, 2010 batch, so many people have been changed. I will tell you one thing. that I was in an IOCL interview, Indian Oil Corporation Limited, in Mumbai. I was the 10th person who was going there. That time the person who was doing interview for me, he was asking me, what is this RGKT Basar? RGKT, not Basar. What is this RGKT? Everyone was coming from this RGKT. That time everyone from our college only. He was asking me that question. I told the same thing. Sir, we were having this kind of pattern, sir. This helped us a lot to crack this GATE exam. We were coming for the interview. So, anyway, if you are writing some particular exam means, particular competitive exam means, you will definitely know the pattern of that exam. You have to see your complete textbook has the same pattern. Okay. At the same time, this CGPA and all, if you are maintaining more than 8.8, more than it will be enough. But I want you to get more CGPA, but will be enough. But focus on, but this phase, if we were at engineering first year, I would have told you that you focus on the CGPA and all, GPA and all. But you already 3 years are over, you cannot do anything. But this phase you have to focus on what you have to become next year. Because I have prepared for a GATE, I can talk only about GATE, other than that I cannot talk. But not only this GATE, if you are preparing for any competitive exam, you have to follow the what I have followed. This is not I have followed, but what my seniors have followed, what they have told me. But maintaining this really mingle with the seniors and are also important. This now also I came here and I came here only because of Narendra sir. He was my senior there. Then I have contacted him that I am coming to this RGKT, and he only arranged all these things by talking to this HOD sir and all. So, best thing is just share the knowledge, because all are toppers. Share the knowledge among yourself, then you will definitely achieve it. Just now I met one person outside, also from RGKT, but certain scientist B as a DRDO. Just now I met her. So, because no one is better than us in the Andhra Pradesh, this Telangana or Andhra Pradesh. This RGKT is filled up with the toppers. See, you just think that how you were at our school. School definitely, the stars will treat you differently than other students, for every person, because you are the topper there. Then maintain the same thing here. Okay. Anything, sir? I want to say thanks to this person who has helped me a lot for my personal things, and he was there for last 4 years with me on phone to arrange all these things. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. I will be always there to help you.
Venu. ఎట్లాంటి డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా ఒకసారి చెప్పండి అని చెప్పి నువ్వు గట్టిగా ఏం డౌట్స్ ఉన్నా కూడా అడగను.
He has asked me what is the biggest problem I have faced while preparing for the GATE exam. See, when I was preparing for the GATE exam, I was weak at this, what is the subject, 855, some microcontrollers will be there now. I was weak at this microcontrollers. 2-3 questions will come from that microcontroller. So whenever the questions from the, I have written so many mock tests, like almost 200 mock tests I have written, 200 into 3 hours. So almost every day I have written mock tests. So every time when these questions from the, I have not prepared it at all. If you are feeling because if I prepare that microcontrollers, I will definitely forget other things. So I sacrificed 2 marks for the microcontrollers. Whenever I have not overcome it, I have faced a lot of problems in microcontrollers. I did not prepare, and after that I did not prepare much. But last 1 month is there now for exam, and I have prepared. I have written so many mock tests. There I am getting almost below 100 rank, below 300 rank. Then I felt that I have studied, I have already satisfied what I have read. So then I started to prepare for it. Suppose if you are weak at some subject, you just leave it outside. You just take it as a, you just leave it. You prepare all other things. Then I went to my friend again, who is strong at microcontroller. Then I asked him. That time also, if 2-3 questions are coming, only one question I would able to solve. But if you are not good at one subject, if you are preparing for GATE, no one will teach you. You have to study by your own. So whatever the subject you are facing problem, you just keep it aside. Later then you can ask to anyone, because that subject, someone will be stronger in that subject. Okay, because why I left that subject means only 2 marks will come from that subject. Suppose if you are weak at mathematics, don't take this as a grant, because 14 marks will come from mathematics. Don't leave that subject. You have to study only. You have to go to some person and you have to ask. You will definitely be in problems if you are preparing. Okay. See, but I'm seeing that yes, 2008, 9, 10, 11 batch. Now there are very less people are getting opportunities in government jobs. Only up to 2000, first 4 batches only getting. So what I suggest is, this is the phase where we have to concentrate. See, we are at same level only, this phase. If you study more, if you utilize this 1 year, definitely you will be in a good position after this 1 year. Whatever the job you get, don't get satisfied. You have to read. So any question anyone wants to ask?
Writing is different and communicating is totally different. Because what we read is writing. How we work on the
Yeah, that is because we are from a so many people have come from a Telugu medium background. I was also one of them. So we can crack the competitive exam with the less than 100 rank or 200 rank. But once we go to interviews, our motivation levels will be decreased because of the communication. But believe me, if you have a GATE rank, if you have any ranker, if you are a ranker, the weightage for the interview will be very less. If you are just able to tell the answer, that will be enough. No need to maintain the full communication skills and all. If you are able to tell the answers, they will just give a question. You have to solve it. Whatever you are writing in GATE, same thing they will ask. Just tell me about yourself is like a simple thing. Like that, you have to prepare for all these things. But most of the things they will ask as it, because the best thing in our ECE is all subjects are like mathematics only. So they cannot ask anything. They will give some question. They will ask us to solve as a, like mathematics only. We have to do some steps and all. So if you are strong at mathematics, definitely you can crack any competitive exam with respect to ECE. That is the best. Suppose if you are reading any book, other person who is not known about ECE will ask, is it mathematics? Okay, see, for us also, after this GATE interview, there was a group discussion, there was an interview, but if it is 85% of the marks will be from GATE rankers. The remaining 15% will be shared among these two. Okay, anyone, anything? DRDO internship చేయాలంటున్నా. సో యాక్చువల్గా అదే నాకు ఒక పర్సన్ కూడా రీసెంట్గా అడిగారు మెకానికల్ నుంచి DRDO. మా ఎంఎస్టీలో అయితే ప్రస్తుతం ఇంటర్న్షిప్స్ లేవు, కానీ RCI ఉంది ఇక్కడ హైదరాబాద్లో. మనం ఇక్కడ వరకు అందరికీ హైదరాబాద్ నియరెస్ట్ ప్లేస్ RCI అని ఉంటుంది. RCI, DRDL అని 2 ల్యాబ్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ. మెయిన్ థింగ్ ఏంటంటే త్రూ నోన్ పర్సనే వెళ్ళాలి మనం. అక్కడ మనకి ఎవరో ఒక నోన్ పర్సనే ఉండాలి ఇంటర్న్షిప్ చేయాలంటే. అలా డైరెక్ట్లీ మీరు వెళ్ళి డైరెక్ట్గా వెళ్ళి అక్కడ ఎవరైనా కలిసి మీరు ఇంటర్న్షిప్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నామో దిస్ కాలేజ్ అని చెప్పేసి మీరు మాట్లాడాలి. ఓకే, బట్ ఏదైనా నోన్ పర్సన్ ఉంటే మనకి ఈజీ అవుతుంది. ఒకప్పుడు ఏంటంటే ఇంటర్న్షిప్స్ ఉండేవి, ఇప్పుడంటే అప్రెంటిస్షిప్ అని కొత్తగా పెట్టారు. జస్ట్ 1 year వస్తున్నారు, 1 year కాంట్రాక్ట్లో 1 year వాళ్ళు నేర్చుకుంటున్నారు, వాళ్ళకి ఒక సర్టిఫికేట్ ఇస్తున్నారు. ఇంటర్న్షిప్ అనేది మనకు చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. బట్ ఎక్కడైతే నేను విశాఖపట్నంలో నేను ఇంటర్న్షిప్లో నేను హెల్ప్ చేయలేను. అది నాకు ఇది ఏంటంటే మాకు ఇంటర్న్షిప్స్ లేవు యాక్చువల్లీ విశాఖపట్నంలో. మాకు ఎప్పుడైనా నాకు ఉంది మళ్ళీ మాకు ఇంటర్న్షిప్ స్టార్ట్ చేశారంటే ఖచ్చితంగా నేను ఇక్కడ నరేంద్ర సార్ కానీ ఇక్కడ మన జనార్దన్ కానీ ఎవరైనా నేను కాంటాక్ట్ అయ్యి ఇలా ఉన్నాయి మీరు అప్లై చేయండి అని నేను సపోర్ట్ చేస్తాను. ప్రస్తుతానికి ఎన్ఎస్టీలో లేవు, బట్ దట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో వెరీ ఫేర్ ఫ్రమ్ యువర్ ప్లేస్. బట్ యూ కెన్ డెఫినెట్లీ గెట్ ఇన్ DRDL and RCA. RCA also our seniors, alumni, so many people are there. There also I can provide the details, you can contact them. So anything? Yeah. More than enough. From now onwards, you have to prepare from now onwards. So anyway, you have to. One more thing I forgot actually. I want to tell you that people will make a timetable to read something. Don't make timetable for monthly wise. If you are making monthly wise, that timetable will definitely crash after that month. Make timetable for daily or weekly. If you are making one timetable for a day, try to complete in that day. Suppose if the 20% is remaining, then accordingly you have to make a timetable for the next day. That will definitely help you. This is the one thing I want to tell you. I have told to my some juniors. One more thing is that while writing any competitive exam, don't solve the question 1, question 2, question 3 and all. You open that question 1. If you are 100% sure that if you can solve this question, you solve it. This I got from my senior, who got already 8th rank. This is the tip he has given to me. So first question, if you are confident 100%, you can write the question. Second question, if you are feel that some difficulty is there, you leave it. Like that 65 questions will be there in GET, or whatever the number of questions will be there. Whatever you feel, 1 to 65 you write it. Whatever you feel that you are strong at that question. At the end, 30 questions or 25 questions you will easily solve. So after within half an hour itself you can solve all these things. So you will have a lot of time also, and your mind also tells I have solved these many questions. So slowly I will solve whatever the difficult questions. You can feel like that. Okay.